Many thanks. It's compliment my audio, my signal. 7 to 3, all the best to you and family. Good luck, good day, good DX. Merci beaucoup, mon ami. Microphone final back to you.
Hello YouTube, George here. There's some weird noise on the 555. Anyway, this is David's 360 FM that he sent over from the UK. You can see the face is quite a bit worn. A little bit of damage there behind the channel knob. Text is gone over aggressive cleaning. With a little crack in the signal meter lens, and the knobs are manky. So other than that though, needs tuned. We'll go through it front to back. We're going to do a custom face. We'll replace the cracked meter, white signal meter insert, and a good tune, clean, tidy up, secret sauce and all that stuff. So we'll get it open here now, have a look inside. Right, so it's a Mark 1 360. You can see there 3 sets of cans, same as the 148 GTL-DX Mark 1, same radio, just different face on it, that's all. Nice and clean inside. Don't see any major stuff done. It's been it's not been hacked about or anything like that. Yeah, so nice candidate. Chrome is not too bad. We'll polish it up as best we can. Little chip here on this corner, which is quite common on the Mark 1s. Okay, so we'll get the top cover off, have a look at the solder side. So there's the solder side, and everything looks good there. It's completely standard radio, never been modified, untouched, which is rare. So anywho, we'll get the knobs off, get the bezel off, and we'll get the signal meter done. We'll denotch the clarifier. We'll clean all the rotary controls and the switches, and we'll come back to you then when we have that done. Okay, so here we are, all done. So what we've done, rotary controls cleaned, flip switches cleaned, denotched the clarifier, tuned it, all new case screws all the way around, even in the speaker there at the bottom. There she is, all good. One, two, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, radio.
590, thank you.
Audio, audio. So all the usual stupidity on the 555. Totally stocked, this thing. It turned out quite well, and she's ready to go. So hope you're happy with it, David, and thanks for sending it over. So we'll leave it there for this video, and we'll get you again in the next one.
Già ho fatto. Io sto ritornando invece, c'è una famederia qua di quello, quello qui da Antonina, stava il primo. Adesso è mai Oh, è mantina di gomma, zucca. Vai a casa. Coca-Cola. Ma cos'è? La festa oggi che sia? Ah no, moschito.